Trade Genius.
Hey guys, how's it going? It's Philip with Trade Genius. So this red line here is representative of April 17th. So that's taxes were due, and we've had a nice bump in the entire crypto space. We're looking at Bitcoin here, but everything has moved up nicely. And again, you don't want to miss out on the early entry for our next leg higher. Okay, and people, a lot of technical analysis has been done where they think that the bottom's going to be lower, sub 5K, and we've always kind of maintained that these lower levels that people thought might be would get hit, we would probably not see that. And I believe that the bottom here in the whole crypto space is in. And now what we're going to be looking for is how we react to these resistance levels. So currently what's going on is we've made a new high, and that's been a problem since we've failed this 11,700 level. If you guys have been watching our channel, that's super key. We had a cup and handle that failed there, and that really started the last leg down of this bearish environment that we're in. But now we've broken back above the WMA65. That's kind of like the first hint that the tide is turning. And so basically, again, we're stemming from this descending wedge. All right. So if in the room we were getting long, swing trade long here at this level, and we're targeting this 92.50 level approximately. And right now it's looking very, very good. If you notice too, we've got inverted head and shoulder formation here. And we've broken this neckline that's here. Also too, if you look at this is the log chart. We've been talking about this log trend line, and this has been the lid on this big move down. This has just kept everything from going higher. And so we're breaking above that on the Coinbase chart here. We're breaking above that, and I think we're on the other, Bitfinex, some other ones that are very close. I think Coinbase is making the most progress at the moment, but it's looking like this is the best move above it that we've seen so far. And so breaking that's going to probably run us up to the underside test again of this 200-day moving average. At that point, we're looking for a measured move on this inverted head and shoulders, and we'll measure that here real quick. So it's the head to the neckline approximately. So we'll give an average neckline of there. That'll take us up here to about 25% more, up to this 10,834 level in that area. That'd be the measure move from this breakout above. And the other thing to look at too, guys, is the market cap. And what I like to see on the market cap is when these trend lines break. So you have a trend line break here, big move higher, trend line break here, big move higher, and you have it here now. And solid follow through, especially after tax day. So definitely the signs are there. Again, you don't want to miss out on the early entry for this next leg up. People still looking for this downside. The market structure is being put in right now that this is a bottoming process. You don't want to be waiting for these targets to hit. You don't want to be waiting for a capitulation bottom, because as we said, sometimes you're not going to get that. Sometimes what happens is you're going to just work and get a rounded bottom, and you're going to work your way out. And that's the other way that you put in a bottom too. So this is a more high volatility environment. The volatility kind of tapered off through here, and has moved up since then. So again, higher high. We haven't seen that since the failure up here. Every time we made a bounce up, rolled over, bounced up, pulls back, rolls over, bounce up, pulls back, doesn't recover. Here we bounce up, pull back, and boom, another high. So this right here is, to me, was pretty important to see. Also too, it's Friday, so make sure you keep an eye on, about an hour after the market closes, for a nice run up to about midnight, 1 a.m. Eastern in Bitcoin. Sometimes it's pretty straightforward, runs up. Sometimes it dilly-dallies after market close, but seems to really get going 1 to 3 hours after the market closes. There's usually a pretty clear trend at that point. So keep that in mind. All right, guys. Well, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to point that out to you guys that, really look at this market structure. I think it's really showing us that, bottom is in and then ready for this next leg higher. And in the room, we've got model portfolios. So if you're looking to get yourself positioned, come on in, have a try, and see what we're doing. I think you'll be really pleased with the results as we head into summer. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.
Trade Genius.